If you're tired of waiting forever for your PC to start up, stick around because I'm going to show you 3 ways to speed things up. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First up, let's talk about startup programs. These are the apps that automatically launch when you start your computer, and too many of them can seriously slow down your boot time. To fix this, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any programs you don't need to run at startup. This can dramatically speed up your boot time. Next, let's enable Fast Startup, a feature that helps your PC boot up more quickly by saving some system information to a file when you shut down. To do this, search for the control panel in the search bar and select it from the results. Then click on System and Security. In the Power Options section, select Change what the power buttons do. Here, make sure that you have the same settings as shown on the screen. This simple change can cut down your boot time significantly. Another way to improve boot times is by cleaning up your hard drive. A cluttered drive can slow down your entire system, including startup. Use Disk Cleanup to delete temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data. Press Win-S, type Disk Cleanup, and select it from the results. Choose the drive you want to clean up, usually the C drive, and click OK. Check the boxes for the types of files you want to delete and click OK again. A cleaner drive means a faster boot time. And there you have it, 3 ways to fix slow boot times in Windows. Implementing even just a couple of these tips can make a huge difference in how quickly your PC starts up. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest tech tips. Got any other tips for speeding up boot times? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.